Now in this lesson we take a look at prisms and pyramids. Solids are three-dimensional shapes, 3D. Now when we talk about 3D, we're talking about length, width and height. Okay, they are the three dimensions. Sometimes height is known as depth. Now a prism has the same shape or cross-section going right through the solid. This cross-section gives the prism its name. So let's consider this one here. Okay, certainly looks like a few rectangles around. That rectangular shape or cross-section goes right through the solid. Okay, so that is known as a rectangular prism. Now what about this prism? Well, if you look at this area here, this cross-sectional area as shown, it also goes straight through the solid. So it's known as a triangular prism. This one here, okay, we need to look at the base. Okay, when we talk about the base, we could also talk about the top of it as well. 5 sides, that's a pentagon, isn't it? And that pentagon goes straight through, up and down through the solid. So this one is known as a pentagonal prism. What about this one here? Okay, that area is shaded. And how many sides? 6 sides, so it's a hexagon. And we can see that that area also goes right through the solid. So this is known as a hexagonal prism. Now this particular one, alright, looks like it's got squares rather than just rectangles. That's square going right through the solid. Okay, if that's the case, it's a cube. Okay, as a result, that square needs to go right through from the top to the bottom as well. And also the same square going from one side right through to the other side. Okay, so that's known as a cube. Now a pyramid has a polygon as its base, and all of the sides are triangles which meet at a point. It is named according to its base. So we look at this one. The base of it, alright, all 4 sides are equal. Okay, it's a square. Even though the way we draw it, it looks like the square's at a bit of an angle. Okay, that's the way we draw it. But it is a square base, so it's known as a square pyramid. This pyramid, okay, as its base, is a rectangle. So it's known as a rectangular pyramid. This one, as its base, is a triangle. So it's known as a triangular pyramid. And another word for triangular pyramid is a tetrahedron. This pyramid, what has it got as its base? If you look at it, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. It's a hexagon, so it's known as a hexagonal pyramid. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.